Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am back today with a video, and I thought I would pick out my kits that I'm going to use in my personal planner for this fall. And I usually do September through November, well, September through Thanksgiving I do fall kits, and then in the last week of November, first week of December, I start using Christmas kits. So, and then I just put a sticky note on them so I know which kit I'm using each week, and then I store them in this pouch. And I just have my kits all ready. So I have this album from Jolly Sticks, and I keep all of my fall kits in here. So I'll kind of go through my kits really quick, just so you can see them, and then I'll choose which ones that I want for each week. So I have kits from Planning City, Fern Creek Stickers, Charlotte's Paper Company, Lisa Loren Plans, some more from Charlotte's Paper Company. That one looks kind of like Thanksgiving. So I may use that one for Thanksgiving. And something I noticed is I'm not a big Halloween fan. So I don't have Jolly Sticks. I don't have a lot of kits, or actually I don't think I have any for Halloween. So if I get some, then I may change a couple of these out. I really only do Halloween for 1 week, and that's the week of the 31st. So I'm just not a big Halloween fan. But and then I have 2 kits coming from Coffee Planner Mom. They should be here tomorrow. One of them is an autumn kit, and one of them is a birthday kit. So I have Fern Creek Stickers, more Charlotte's Paper Company, more Lisa Loren Plans, So Cute Planner, PS Sticker Co. Let's see. I'm not a big pumpkin spice. I did find these are from Jolly Sticks, and they're just little Halloween things. I have some from Leonard Designs. She has really big kits. So that is my fall kits. And I think I'm going to start off with, like, I don't remember what this kit is. I'm going to start off with, like, sunflowers, just because it's not, let's see what this kit is. Purple paper eater. That one goes back in there. So I think I'm going to start off with this one, Purple Paper Eater. I got it in a D-stash, and it is sunflowers. And so what I do is I just grab some paper clips up here, and I paper clip my kit together. But first I put on my little sticky note. I just fold it over the kit, put the sticky on the back, and then put a paper clip on it, and then it will go in my little pouch. And I haven't been planning in my A5 lately. It's just become a lot, so I really haven't. I think I have one more sunflower kit that I want to use. Somewhere in here. Oh, here it is. Sunflower bouquet. or bouquet, however you say it. Let's see if I can get it out. And I'll show you each kit as I go through them. So I use that one for the 11th through the 17th. So those are my 2 sunflower kits. And then, let's see. That's also a Thanksgiving kit, but it's just 2 pages, so I think I want to use the other one. I think I'm going to use up this one kit up here. This kit here I got in a D-stash. It was not put together as a kit, but I thought the colors went good together, so I put it together as a kit. So we have the pictures, some headers, some boxes, and some more headers. So I'm just going to use this simple kit just because it's kind of generic. I don't even know where it came from. And use it up, and it will kind of be the September 18th through the 24th. And then I think I want to use the one that said Autumn Splendor. Let's use this kit. And I think I have some washi tape that goes with this. Super pretty kit. And then a page of boxes. I'll use this for September 25th through October 1st. And then October 2nd. See, that has a pumpkin, a jack-o'-lantern on it. That's probably what I'll use for what is it called? Halloween. Let's use pumpkin spice from Jelly Sticks for, I want to see if these are all Halloween. They are. So these are all Halloween. So I might use some of those when I pick out the Halloween kit. So pumpkin spice from Jolly Sticks. I'm not a pumpkin spice person. Leave me a comment. Are you pumpkin spice? Because I'm just, it's not my thing. It's too sweet for me as far as coffee goes. Pull this out to put with my fall kits. It's just some fall quotes. And then let's use this one by Leonard Designs, and it's called Crisp. So super pretty kit, and it's a big kit. I'm wondering if I should use it for 2 weeks. 2 weeks in a row. I could, but I probably won't. I'll use it again next year. use this for October 9th through the 15th. October 16th, let's use one of, let's go with Once Upon a Fall. It has some die cuts, and I got this in a subscription box, so it is also a large kit. And you get some overlays. And then a journaling card, which I may just use as a tip-in. I'm not sure. Could be a little divider in my planner if I want to. This for October 16th through the 22nd. And then let's use this one from So Cute Planner. So we have that page and then that page. I don't think this was strictly a fall kit, but it reminded me of fall, so that's why I put it in with my fall kits. And then we will use October 30th, we use these little Halloween stickers, and there's that one kit that had some, could use that when they're carving a pumpkin. There it is. Cozy Autumn Days by Lisa Loren Plans. So we have some jack-o'-lanterns, and I'll use this one the week of Halloween. And maybe add some of these little spooky stickers. And then November 6th through the 12th, I kind of want to stick with almost Thanksgiving-ish. Let's use this kit by PS Sticker Co. It says it's like a thankful kit. Different colors, so that's cute. and it's perfect size for a personal planner. And then I have November 13th through the 19th, which I have a birthday kit coming from Coffee Planner Mom, so I'll be using that. And then the week of Thanksgiving, I want that one kit where they were eating. So we will use this kit by Charlotte's Paper Company. For Thanksgiving, and it's a pretty big kit. Oh, I think I have two of the same kit. Yeah, I do. So we'll use one of them, and I'll put the other one in here. November 20th through the 26th, and then I'll do another video later, closer to November, where I will choose all like my Christmas kits. Now I did forget that I have that birthday kit coming, but I also have a kit from Coffee Planner Mom that is autumn. So let's see if we can switch one of these out. We'll switch this one out, and I'll use this kit for the one that's coming in the mail. And a couple of my subscription boxes I may get fall kits and may switch some out, and then I just put these in order. So let's see, that is November 13th through the 19th. And then we have the 18th through the 24th, October 2nd, September 25th, and there we go. So these are all my kits. Put some fall quotes in here. I think I also have some more fall stickers. I think they're in here. Let me see. Yeah, I have a whole stack of these like fall headers and such. So I may use some of these too. Just add them to some of my kits. That is how I choose and how I store all my kits for the upcoming weeks. And this just sits underneath my desk. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. How do you choose your kits, and do you prepare way ahead like I do? And then I will be back soon with another crafty planner or beauty video.